Thank you. We are going to the main village right now. Let's see how it goes. It's a beautiful day, I have to tell you. Wow, you can see the barangay from here. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below, and subscribe to the channel would be awesome. Thank you. Wow. This is a better place to take a drone shot. You can take it from there. That's what I'm thinking. Ladies and gentlemen, that is a village, Barangay Poblacion, Bakun. Look at the place. How beautiful it is. Seriously, the village surrounded by the mountain. It is in the center. Look like a kill box. Look at that. Still there is no sunrise, even though it looks majestic. Nice elevation. Looks beautiful over there. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to take some drone shot. It's going to be epic. You can see it. It is a beautiful location. I highly recommend for everyone. I took a lot of drone shot over here right now. It's a beautiful place. Let's go and check it out. Ooh. Seriously, sheep. You need a good break, otherwise it's very tough to move on. So, we are entering Poblacion, Barangay. I love Bakun. Okay. That's the one. There's a tube, waterfalls. Wow. This is the burger price. I can try today. Yesterday I came over here for the star chicken. Every day there's one bus going from here to the main town. Wow. 5-star chicken is fantastic. You must try it. So tourist advisory registration over here. Let's see how it goes. Let's go and come back. Wow, there's beautiful waterfalls. This is the outpost. I don't want to go down. Let's see. One quick rundown. Ah, that's a school. Yeah, no, I stop here. That is a school. Look at the scenery. Nearby waterfalls over there. There's 3 waterfalls. Here there is no ATM. You can only pay by GCash. That's the main thing. Either way, still you can access your money through your online banking. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys next video soon. Thank you. I wanna go to the falls.